I know most of us are having issues connecting our wallets to Hamster Kombat, and some people feel like they have made serious mistakes connecting wrong wallet, or you feel like the TON wallet you actually connected is not secure enough. So if you fall into any of these categories of people, then you just have to watch this video carefully. Now, if you go over to this tab that says connect your wallet, you will find out that there is no navigation, no button for you to edit or change your wallet address. This typically means that currently there's no solution to this issue, but I believe they might do something about it before launching the coin. So I advise that you stay calm and keep farming. There are other kinds of people that made mistakes of trying to use a different wallet address, whereas it was stated clearly that you should connect TON wallet. Because using a different wallet address might be a big problem and you might not receive your airdrops. And the third one is some people are really confused of which TON wallet to use. Some said it must be from TON Keeper, some said it must be from my TON wallet, and many others. But these people, they only said TON wallet, so there's no specifications. So this wallet address right here is for you to receive your coins. It doesn't really matter what TON wallet you use. You only have to be aware of the safetyness and security involved in whichever one you choose, which means that if you can still access the wallet and you feel it is convenient enough and secured, then you can go ahead with that. And you can also go to App Store or to Google Play Store and check the reviews of people who have used it before. This will help you to make a better decision if you are using them for the first time. So I advise you to feel free to use any TON wallet of your choice. No matter what type of problems or mistakes you've run into while connecting your wallet, I advise that you stay calm and keep farming. Hopefully they will fix it. They're going to work on it so that people can make adjustments on their wallets before they launch the coin. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.